Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now my laptop is okay and we will proceed with our tutorials of Python and Android. Okay, so in today's video we will be focusing on Python. Next, the Python tutorial will be focused on the topic of file handling. Okay, now let me make the new file. Save it as file reading.py. Py is the extension of Python. Okay, now file is equals to open. Open is the keyword for the file, and here will be the path of the file, and here will be the access modifier, whether you want to access the file for reading or writing or both, etc. Now for reading the file must be in your Explorer. So let me make one file. Uh, Let me name it as hello and hello view. Save it, close it, open it, simulate. Now here the file path. File path will be in here. Copy it, paste it, and make slash double because slash is an escape character. And type the file name. What is my file name? Hello.txt. Hello.txt. I want to read it. Okay. Now I want to print the content of file. So I will write file.read. Let me build it. Hello viewers. Now next make another file for file writing. File writing.py. Now I want to access the file for writing. Okay. Now if your file has not been created, then you can create just by using Python. You have no need to go to Explorer. Suppose I want to make the file name. Let first give the path where we want your file should be. Second, give your file name wherever it should be. Whatever you want. Let me give it as YTH. Okay, and I want to write it. Let me show you that this file is not being in Explorer. See here, no file is been named as YTH. We will make it with the Python. Now file dot write. Here will be the content of the file. What content you want. Okay. Welcome users. And file dot close. Build it. See here, YTH. Here it's the above file structure command. Here it is fine because I'm not given an extension. Let me give an extension then. YTH.txt. Again build it. The file has been made. Let me show you the content of the file. Here it is, welcome users. Now I want my file to be accessed for both reading and writing. So what I can do is just change W as W plus. That's all. And suppose I want to edit my hello.txt file and say it as hi users, how was your day? Okay, now our our pointer will be in here. So to read this file, we want make your pointer should be here. So there is an seek function in Python. In this, where you should from for traversing from the start of your file's content, you should give it as 0 and file dot. Let me print the content right in front. File dot read. Will it see? Hi users, how was your day? So that's all for today. We will meet you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. If you like this tutorial, press the like button below the video. Thanks for watching.